Hello, very good evening. My name is Dr. Shanbati and today I'm going to use ChatGPT to create a website under 1 minute. All I need to do is come here and just say, write a code to create a website with 3 COM columns and a 3 columns with blog posts using, blog posts using HTML, CSS. That's it. Okay, so I've set 3 column structure I needed, blogs and posts, and let's see what it does for us. So here we go, and start writing the code for us. Wonderful, right? So it's now creating the columns, divs, everything for you. This is how easy it is to create a website using ChatGPT for a 3 column post, and it's writing the post for us with a lorem ipsum. Wonderful, this is so amazing. So try to use it. See this, I have my websites already being written for me. Let's just wait till see how long it takes. Now it's writing the CSS code for us. So it has finished writing the div tags for the 3 column structure. Now let's just see what it does with the CSS. Done. So it's done. Under just 1 minute, it's completely written a fantastic website for us. All you need to do is just copy this code, come into your brackets, click on a new file, Control V, and save this as Control S, and I will just save it inside my documents folder called to do and web.html. That's done. Come here inside the CSS, copy the code, and we can use this under anywhere we want. In our case, I will just create a body tag, okay, and then Control X here and paste the body tag here. So this code is inside the body tag. Of course, it's missing the head and HTML, so let me just write the HTML tag, and inside the HTML tag just use the head tag, and there we go. Inside the head I will just use the style tag. So here's a style tag for me. Under the style I will copy the CSS. Oops, where's the CSS gone? So let me just recopy the code. Come here, Control V. So CSS is written, Control S, and close. Take this HTML, Control X, and put it underneath here. So that's it. So you might have to do a few coding little bit if you know. So basics is always important. Once it is done, let's just see what we have got. And here we go. Fantastic. So you can see this 3 column blog post website structure coding is already done for us. This is how easy it is to do. Use it to create your websites very simply and very quickly. See you around in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.